guys, let's return back to solve question number 2, paper 4, 2018 May June. Figure 2.1 shows a forklift truck lifting a box. The electric motor that drives the lifting mechanism is powered by batteries. A. State the form of the energy stored in the batteries. As you know, in the batteries we have chemical energy, B. The lifting mechanism raises a box of mass 32 kilogram, so this is M, through a vertical distance of 2.5 meter, which is height, in 5.4 seconds, which is time. I. Calculate the gravitational potential energy gained by the box. As you know, gravitational potential energy equal mgh. M is the mass, g is the gravity, times h, which is height. So g p e, which is gravitational potential energy, equal m times g times height, equal m is the mass, which is 32 kilogram, times the gravity, which is 10 meters per second square, it's a constant, times the height, which is 2.5. It will produce 800 joule. Double I. The efficiency of the lifting mechanism is 0.65, which is 65%. Calculate the input power to the lifting mechanism. As you know, guys, the efficiency equal output divided by input. So the efficiency, which is EFF, efficiency, equal output divided by input. Output divided by input. Right. So if I want to calculate the input, input will be equal to the output divided by efficiency. So the input equal the output divided by efficiency. Efficiency, which is what? 0.65. And here we have to put what? The output. How can I get the output? From the law, power equal energy divided by what? Divided by time. So energy, we got it in the last question, BI equal 800 divided by time, which is 5.4 seconds. It will produce 148.1 watt. 148.1 watt. Right. So I'll put here 148.1 and it will produce 228 joule. 228 joule. So this is the final answer, 228 joule. Okay. The batteries are recharged from the mains voltage supply that is generated in an oil-fired power station. By comparison with a wind farm, state one advantage and one disadvantage of running a power station using oil. Actually, guys, we have advantage and we have disadvantage. If I want to talk about the advantage will be always available. We can obtain it anytime as we want. And also we can say it's not dependent on the weather, if we have a good weather or bad weather. So any answer of them, because we have just 1 mark for the advantage and also 1 mark for disadvantage. So we can write always available, 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 and also we can say not dependent on weather, not dependent on weather, dependent on weather, any answer you want. And the disadvantage, it will produce global warming, and you know the meaning of global warming. Global warming is the increasing of the ratio of carbon dioxide gas in the air, and this will cause the increasing in the temperature. Also, we can say the oil will run out, will be finished, so the oil will run out. That's it.